In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find e-commerce clients on LinkedIn. Now, let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser and navigating to linkedin.com. This may seem like an obvious step, but it's crucial as it lays the groundwork for everything else we'll do. Once on the site, simply sign into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. If you're someone who likes convenience, LinkedIn allows you to sign in with your Google or Microsoft accounts as well. And if by chance you don't yet have an account, don't worry, it's free to sign up and it's an incredibly valuable tool for professional networking. Upon signing in, you might encounter two-factor authentication. This is LinkedIn's way of ensuring your account security, so you might get a verification code sent to your phone. Just enter that code when prompted and you'll gain access. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start your search for potential e-commerce clients. Next, we'll move to the job section, which is located at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. While you might not be job hunting in the traditional sense, this section is packed with tools that can be customized to help you identify clients within your niche. What you'll want to do here is begin with a broad search using the keyword e-commerce to identify relevant profiles and connections. At first, you'll likely find a diverse array of results. But don't worry, we'll narrow them down as we apply more specific filters. Since your aim is to target decision makers or influencers within e-commerce, it's important to refine your search using filters and operators. Think about the keywords and roles that imply decision-making power. Terms like owner, VP, director, or manager are excellent starting points. By searching for e-commerce along with these roles, you are more likely to find individuals who hold authority within their organizations. For instance, typing in a query such as e-commerce and owner or VP or director or manager enables you to hone in on individuals who are more likely positioned to make influential decisions within e-commerce companies. To make your search even more precise, consider using the operator not to exclude certain titles, like intern or assistant, that may not align with your target audience. By applying these search strategies and techniques, LinkedIn can transform into a rich resource of potential clients in the e-commerce sector. So there you have it, your pathway to strategically finding and connecting with e-commerce clients on LinkedIn. Keep these tips handy as you navigate through LinkedIn, and you'll be well on your way to building a valuable network of professional contacts. Thank you for watching, and happy networking.